Welcome to the Players Club at LELY Resort. This beautiful membership club hosts 3 pools, 1 lap pool, 1 activity pool with an amazing water feature, also a child's pool off to the side. What I love about this club is that they have live music almost every weekend. They have a tiki bar casual restaurant and also a more formal restaurant. They also have a social calendar where they will host holiday events and spontaneous themed events throughout the year. Most memberships are going to be included with residential purchases in LELY Resort. This 15-acre tropical resort is a great membership option for people looking for an active lifestyle. Whether you're interested in the gym facilities or the spa, shuffleboard, pickleball, they've got it all. And all you have to do is put a flag up for a drink.